Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this round number 2 of this analyze of these games here. So it means the title of this one is FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So it means round number 2 or maybe day 2 from this one. So it means, so these are the long games within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this one in this chess clock. So it means round robin from this one. So it means, so after finishing round number 1, so today's round number 2 from this one. And also have between from this one in this Grandmaster in China, Lei Tingji. So it means these are my favorite players here from this one. So favorite players, so it means Grandmaster here from this one. And versus the woman Grandmaster in Argentina is Candela Guecamburu. So it means Candela Guecamburu. So what is the name? Candela Guecamburu. Kamburu from this one. So it means China versus Argentina here from this one. So in this today's round number 2 here in this one, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this FIDE Women's round number 2. So white plays Lei is c4, English opening, c5, Candela, Knight f3, knight c6 is called English opening symmetrical variation from this one. And also d4, capture this pawn, and knight takes captured. Without knight takes captured, and knight f6 by Candela. So these are knight f6. So what do you think if you capture this knight takes captured here from this one? Knight takes d4 here from this one, and also queen takes knight. So it means these are the examples here from this one, or maybe here by determinations here from this one. So Candela moved by knight f6 here by Candela. So it means Candela Guecamburu from this one. And knight c6 by Lei Tingji, and d6 without d6 or without upcoming move by here by e5 or tempos attacks by knights. So it means these are the continuations here from this one. And also e4 and also g6 by Candela. Without, if you move by here forward by knight to bishop g7. So it means without moving by bishop to g7 or upcoming by castling kingside by Candela here from this one. And also bishop e2 by Lei without upcoming by castling kingside by Lei Tingji here from this one. Bishop g7 by Candela without upcoming by castling kingside here from this one. And also bishop e3 by Lei Tingji without doubles, or maybe without doubles by bishops here from this one or this. And also have the identifications here from this one. And also castling by Candela, castling by Lei. So it means without castling here from this one, and takes, and also bishop d7 without movement here from this one, and rook e1, and also bishop c6. So these are a novelty by recording by chess.com database. So it means none of this booklet by Candela. So these are the old mainline here. First novelty is rook to e8, and second is this one is pawn to e5 without pawn to e5 here from this one. So third novelty is bishop c6 by Candela without upcoming by threatening by pawns, or maybe without tempos attacks by pawns, or without bishop by captured by pawns here from this one, without opening by bishop to bishop here from this one, and queen c2 without queen c2 by defense here from this one, or maybe without determinations, and also a5. So a5 by Candela, or without move by here by b5, or without tempos attacks by pawns, without continuations, or without connecting here by pass pawns here from this one, and b3 by Lei Tingji, and knight d7 by Candela without opening or without move by here with the idea to move by knight to c5, or without upcoming by captured by bishop. So realize here by continuations by determinations here from this one, and decided capture this bishop, takes, and also rook ad1 without first rank here by Lei Tingji here from this one, and Queen b6 by Candela without continuations here, or without determinations by, without move or maybe movement here, and also Queen b2 by Lei. With idea to knight d5 without opening by check, or maybe without check here, or without trapping by queen. Without trap by queens here. So it means trap by queens without here. So it means losing by blacks here from this one. So these are the strongest move by Lei Qingqi here from this one. And decided move backward king g8 by Candela, and also bishop backwards f1, and also knight c5 without continuations by Candela, without targets by pawns, without threatening by pawns, and also bishop threatening by pawns here from this one. These are the continuations here from this one. And also h4 without strongest move by Lei Qingqi, or maybe without strongest move here from this one. And also rook a d8 without a trunk by Candela, and also h5 sacrifice, or maybe without sacrifice here from this one, and also e5. So it means her name is Candela. So I think they realized with the idea to Candela, or maybe without candle, or maybe without lighting the candles from this one. So it means candle or Candela. So it means Candela, her name from this one. So it means Candela of this name of girls here from this one. So let's continue is e5. So for example, so how do you think if you move by capture this one, or determination? So these are the examples here from this one. These are continuations here. So these are examples. So it means back is e5, or maybe without e5 by, if you move by here by sacrifice by pawns or bites here from this one, and rook e3. Without move here with idea to defense by h3, or maybe without defense, or maybe move here. If you move by here rook to g3, so it means cannot capture. These are the check. These are targets check here from this one. These are the targets here from this one. And also f5. So f5 here, so it means these are marked bad move of this computer engine. So it means bad move by Candela. So the best moves there is accuracy move here is rook to d7 without upcoming battery. So it means battery here from this one. So let's go back. Here is f5 by Candela, and captured. Without captured here, and pushed f4. Without push f4, or maybe without semi-close by pawns here, or it's called diagonal semi-close here from this one, and without targets threatening by rooks here from this one. These are the threatening rooks here from this one. And also captured by check. Captured without check here, without sacrifice, and king h8. So why don't we king takes capture sacrifice pawn without takes? And also rook h3 check. Check here from this one, and go back king g8. So these are the slightly betters from whites here from this one. These are continuations. So back there, this one is king h8 here. So it means without king h8 by Candela, or without targets by pawns, without threatening by pawns here from this one, and rook h3 without develops by pawns here from this one, and takes by knight takes e4. So it means another bad move by Candela. So the best moves there is one is rook to d7 again. So it means without rook d7. So it may be without moves here from this one, without continuations, or without slightly betters from blacks here. So it means rook d7 is the best moves. So back there is takes by knight takes e4 here by Candela, and takes, and also rook h6. Without rook h6 without develops here from this one, or upcoming here by threatening by pawn. So what really here from this one, or maybe here by rook takes threat by pawns here from this one. And also king g7 with the tempos attacks by rooks, and rook e6, king f7 with a threatening by rooks, and c5 sacrifice. Wow, what a nice shot by Lei Tingchi. Or with a threatening by queen, or without king threatening by rooks here from this one. And decided is queen takes captured sacrifice, and also bishop c4, good move by Lei Tingchi. Or maybe here, or if you move by here without defense, so if you move by opening by rook h6 without opening by check, so how do you think if you check here from this one? These are continuations here from this one. And also king g7, and also queen e2. Oh, with the idea to move, with the idea to move by rook h5 without defense by pawns, or maybe here by queen g4 check. So if you queen g4 check, or if you capture this pawn, free pawns here from this one. So these are the continuations here from this one. These are examples. And also bishop f5 by Candela with a tempos attacks by rooks, or tempos attacks by rooks here from this one, and rook e7 check, and also king f6 with a tempos attacks by rooks. Rook takes capture takes. Without rook takes capture takes here from this one, and queen c8. So it means without tempos attacks by rook. So the first puzzle, what do you think the finding with the idea to find brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Lei Tingchi in China? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. Is queen h5. What a brilliant sacrifice move by Lei Tingchi. So it means these are the higher evaluation bar. Very highest evaluation bar. So it means sacrifice brilliant move by Lei Tingchi, or maybe with the idea to captured by takes by rooks here from this one, without takes here from this one. And Candela accepting by queen takes rook, or one rook down by Lei Tingchi here from this one. So it means queen takes b7 by Candela here from this one, and queen h6 check, and also bishop g6 without defense here from this one, or maybe without good examples. And rook takes capture check, good move by Lei Tingchi. So it means with the idea to captured, or maybe here without captured or without check. So what do you think if you check here from this one? These are continuations here from this one. And also king e7 here from this one, and also the last shot from this one is boom, rook takes captured. So it means the round number 2, the first game, so it means resigned by WGM Candela Gue Kamburu. So why she resigns? Because if you decided this one is king takes captured, rook only move here from this one, and also queen takes rook check. So if you king c7, king c7. So if you move by king c7 here from this one, and also queen g7 check. If you king c8, and also promotes by queen without h8 queen check, and also bishop to e8, and queen takes bishop mating net. So it means mating net here from this one. So the score from this one is Lei Tingchi is 95 points, and the black pieces score by Candela 85 points. So it means lose from blacks. So it means winning from Lei Tingchi. So the next second game from this one in this round number 2 from second games. So let's see our rotations here. So let's see of this one. So the next second game here from this one. So it means between from this one in WGM Candela and in Argentina versus the GM by China Lei Tingchi. So it means in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the second games from round number 2. E4 by Candela, E6 by Lei, so it means French defense, and also D4. D5 is called French defense normal variation from this one, and also Knight C3. So these are the main line here is also captured and decided captured here from this one. So it means captured. So captured here from this one, these are the examples here from this one or continuation. So back there, this one is knight c3 by Candela and knight f6 by Lei Tingchi here from this one, or maybe here by move push by e5 by Candela, or tempos attacks by knights here from this one. So it means knight f6 by Lei Tingchi and bishop g5 by Candela, or without pin by queens, without tempos by pin, or without realize here from this one, and knight takes captured, and also knight bd7 without move here from this one, and knight f3. Without knight f3 by Candela here from this one, or maybe with the idea to captured. So I don't know captured here from this one, or maybe here knight 2 4 knight g3 here from this one without continuations. And h6 by Lei Tingchi, tempos attacks by bishop, and bishop takes captured, knight takes, and also knight takes captured, queen takes captured or develops here from this one, and bishop d3 by Candela here from this one, and bishop d6 by Lei Tingchi, or with the idea to castling kingside by Lei Tingchi here from this one, and queen e2. So it means without queen e2, so it means, so these are a novelty. Novelty by games. Queen e2. Novelty by Candela. Novelty. So queen e2 is novelty. So it means the old main line here is castling kingside. So castling kingside. So these are examples here. So castling kingside here from this one. So it means good novelty. So the novelty by Candela, queen e2. Novelty by queen e2 by Candela here from this one. So it means without continuations here. And bishop d7, or upcoming by castling queen side, or castling king side by here from this one. Castle king side by Candela, and queen f4. With idea to strongest, or without defense or determinations here from this one. g3 by Candela, and also queen g4, king g2. The realized by move by force, move by here by Candela, and also queen h5, h3. With the idea to move by here by g4 with the tempos attacks by queens, or the realize here from this one, and bishop c6, or without pinning by kings. So pinning without kings by checks here from this one, and bishop e4 takes, and also castling kingside by Lei Tingchi here from this one without castling. Queen takes captured. Without queen takes, without tempos attacks, or without realize here from this one, and rook a b8, good move by Lei. Without tempos at, or within threatening by rooks, without threatening by queens here from this one, and or captured. Realized by captured here from this one. And queen takes captured. Without takes here by captured here from this one, and rook takes captured pawns. With the idea to threatening by pawns. Threatening by pawns here from this one. And rook a b1 takes, rook fc1. Without code first rank by Candela here from this one. Takes, and also queen d5. So it means knight versus bishop, without knights versus bishop here from this one. Rook b1, c5. Without captured by pawns or threatening by pawns here from this one, and a4. So for example, so why don't we capture takes here? I don't know takes here from this one. So these are examples, and bishop takes captured. The realize here, or without bishop takes c5. So back there, this one is a4, and also push c4. Without push c4 here from this one, or maybe without continuation. So So if you do that, why don't we capture? C takes d4 and decided queen takes captured here without queen to queen. If you decided queen takes accepted, knight takes captured. So it means these are continuations here for this one without etc 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 etc. So it means likely betters from whites and blacks. So it means c4 by without pushing by Lei Tingqi and rook b5 with the tempos attacks by queens. Oh, without threatening by queens here from this one and queen a8 without tempos attacks without queen to queen and ignoring by Candela queen b6 or without tempos attacks threatening by bishop without threatening bishops here from this one and queen takes captured pawns and rook a5 with the tempos attacks by queens and queen d7 rook a7 threatening by queens queen d8 tempos attacks by queen to queen and ignoring queen c6 by Candela. So it means without without determinations here. Queen b8, rook d7. Oh, without threatening. Oh, threatening by bishop and without doubles. Here from this one and rook d8 and takes and also knight d2 with a threatening by pawns. Bishop b4 with a threatening by knights. Oh, threatening by knights here from this one. And takes here from this one. Knight takes. Queen takes. Knight e3. Oh, without knight e3 here from this one without defense. Bishop f8. And also h4. h5. Queen f3. Oh, with a threatening by pawns. Oh, threatening by pawns and without defense here from this one. And also g6 without defense by pawns. King g1. Bishop c5. Oh, without defense or rook behind the bishop. Queen a8 check, king g7, and go back queen f3. And good move queen d3 by Lei Tingqi here from this one without, or maybe with the idea to captured by knights here from this one. And also queen f4, bishop d4. Oh, without bishop to d4. Or maybe here. So these are the queens without tempos, without move by queen e5 check or without check here. Or maybe here by queen e4, e5, queen e5 and without check. So it means without check here from this one. So without queen f4 by Candela and defense by bishop to d4 by no more by queen to e5 check. So it means without no more checks here from this one and king g2, e5 with the tempos attacks by queens and queen backwards f3, takes, and also queen f5 without queen to queen and ignoring by Candela queen d5 without ignoring here. So why don't we queen takes captured? And accepting here and also pawn takes f5. So realize here these are examples here from this one. So, ignoring by Candela, queen d5. So, it means without ignoring here. And also, e4 without opening without queen to queen and ignoring by Candela. Queen d4 check. King h7. Queen d1. And also, queen d5. Queen c2 with a threatening by pawns. And queen d3, queen to queen and ignoring by Candela, queen a2. So it means why don't we capture queen to queen? So it means it's okay from this one. King g7, queen b2 check, and defense by f6 by pawns. Check, king f8, check, king e7, check again, king e6, check, king e5, and queen e8 check, king d5, check again, king c5, captured, queen takes captured. Oh, the realize here from this one and check by queen e2 check, king h1 check, king h2 good move by Candela and king c4, queen f7 check good move, king d3 Queen a7. Without lowest evaluation bar by whites. So it means lowest evaluation bar. So it means bad move or blunder ratios. Oh, the realize is blunder ratios by Candela. So the best moves there is one is so the best moves is king to d7. Queen d7 check. So it means queen d7 check. If you decided this one is king takes captured pawns. So it means without could slightly better from blacks. So back there is queen a7 check here from this one and king e2. So it means wrong move by Lei. So the best moves there is the best moves is king to d2 without move here from this one without determinations here from this one or the realize here from this one. So back there, this one is king e2 and queen c5. So it means error move by Candela. So the best moves there is queen a2 check. Oh, queen a2 check. If your king takes captured and queen a8 a3 check. If you do that, if you move by here, king e2 and captured, captured and captured. So it means these are continuations here. So it means slightly betters from whites or blacks or etc. So back there, this one is queen c5 by Candela and f5 without f5 here and also queen c2 check, king f1 check and also king f2, queen g1 check and king e2. Oh, without king e2. Oh, that's correct. So it means king e2 here from this one and also king h3. So it means the last of this one of this game. So what do you think the last shot from this one, the winning from this one in these black pieces or before? So it means before resigns by WGM Argentina Candela Goe Camburo. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for the start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. The last shot is queen f1 check without queen to queen. So it means resigned by Candela. Why she resigns? Because if you move by here, if you move by queen takes captured accepted and also king takes captured takes by queens. If you move by g4, so g4 here, if you takes here and takes, so it means oh takes check here without takes. So takes here by check, so it means without check and also king g3, so it means king g3 and also here by king e2. So it means these are so if you do that, so capture this one, so it means so captured cannot move from this one by king, so it means cannot move, so it means lose from whites by this one. So it means lose from whites. The score from this one is 2-2-0 from this one. So it means 2-0. So the score from white pieces by Candela 89.3 and the highest score from black by Lei Ting-Chi is 93.8. So it means winning. So the winner from this round number 2, Grandmaster in China, Lei Ting-Chi. Congratulations. So next up this round number 3, so I will choose up this analyze game from soon. I hope this part this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka IconMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.